Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a Snapchat question. Adding a question sticker allows you to engage with your friends and followers, sparking conversations, and gathering their responses. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, also known as the Camera section. Take a picture by tapping the Capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Once you've taken your picture, it's time to add a question sticker. Tap on the sticker icon located on the right side of the screen. Then, navigate to the Star section and tap on Question. Step 4. Type in the question you want to ask in the provided text box. You can ask anything you like, such as, "What's your favorite movie?" or "Where do you want to travel next?" Alternatively, you can tap on the dice icon to generate a random question. Step 5. Position the question sticker wherever you want on your picture. You can drag it around and resize it to fit your preference. Step 6. Once someone wants to reply, they just have to tap on the reply button below the question sticker to provide their response. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a Snapchat question and engage with your friends and followers, sparking conversations and gathering their responses. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.